There's our little ammunition picker-upper. Put it in the box. Okay. And there's Coffee way up there. He's checking the targets. This is where we like to shoot. Slowly becoming a favorite place. Looks like some kind of quarry or something. Or a little fire to keep warm. Very pretty out here, especially in the fall. There's Aiden. There he is. Pretty nice berm out here to go shooting at. This is our little arsenal that we decided to take with us today. Anyway.
I've done enough damage today, I guess.
Did we hit it?
Well, we hit it. I'd say we're running just a tad low.